I'm going to show you guys how to complete the abuse self-assessment worksheet just in case you're having trouble following the instructions and stuff. So it'll be real quick, but this is what you're going to be doing today. So if you click on the link on the assignment, it's going to take you to this page. You're going to be reading scenarios and then reflecting on the options that you choose and why. So for example, I'm going to read the first situation. Your friend Alicia and John, a guy she met at work, had been going out for a while. One day, John showed up at Alicia's school and saw her give a male friend a hug. John grabbed her arm and pulled her to his car where he called her a slut and a cheater. So then you are going to highlight the answer you would choose out of the three options below. So it says, if I saw this happen, and there are three options. A, I would tell Alicia that I was concerned about her and help her find information about abusive relationships. B, I would tell another friend and hope that they would do something to help Alicia. Or C, I would leave it alone. If Alicia didn't say anything to me, it's not my place to get involved. Okay? So I'm going to say out of these three, obviously it might not be a perfect fit for you, but out of these three, which one fits your situation the best? Like, what would you do if you were in this situation? So I would say, let's say I said C. I would leave it alone. If she didn't say anything to me, it's not my place to get involved. I'm going to highlight this answer, whatever color. You see this little highlight button? You highlight the answer in whatever color you want. Then I'm going to defend. Why did I choose the answer that I did? I'm going to say, I would leave the situation alone because I do not want to get involved. I think that Alicia might be upset at me if I start getting into her business. Whatever, okay? Then it says score totals for this question. So how many points did I get for this question? I chose answer C, okay? Answer C is worth 0 points. So I got 0 points. Then it says total for all of the questions. We've only done one question. So the answer is going to be 0. Let's do the next one. Let's pretend that I put B. I'm not even going to read the situation, but say I put B, I'm going to highlight that. Then I'm going to say I chose this answer because, and I'm going to be specific. I'm not just going to repeat what the answer says. And question B, of course, is also worth 0 points. So then I click 0 points for this question. From both, I got 0 there and 0 there, so I have 0 total. Next question. Read the situation. Which answer would I choose? I would highlight B, whatever. I'm not going to read it. Then I would say I chose this answer because blah, 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 being specific, not just repeating the same thing that was in the response. Total for this question, 2 points. Now, I got 0 here. Then I got 0, so now I have 0. And here I got 2, so I'm going to add 2. Then I do it again. I would choose C, highlight C. Why did I choose this? I chose this because blah, 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 blah. C is worth 2 points. So I put 2 points. My last total was 2. So 2 plus 2, I have 4 points total for the whole thing. Then I'm going to do question 5. Say I answered C again. I would highlight it. I chose this because blah, blah, blah. Total. This was worth 1 point. My total was 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. I have 5 points total. Then I'm going to do a self-reflection. Here it says score 5 to 7 points. I got 5 points total, okay? And so I'm going to read what it says about me based on this situation. So I'm going to highlight my total. I scored 5 to 7 points. Highlight my total. And then I'm going to answer this reflection question. Do you feel like the description above is truly who you are as a person when it comes to helping others in abusive relationships? Why or why not? So then I'm going to say, I do feel like this is me. Maybe I don't agree with this statement. Defend why. Okay? When you're done with that, then you submit it on Canvas under this abuse self-assessment, and then you're good to go. I just wanted to clarify like how you could do the assignment, because some of you I feel like are going to have trouble adding the totals as you go if you're not following the instructions. Okay. If you have any questions about this assignment, please feel free to email me. It's kind of just giving you a better understanding of how you would react if someone you knew were in an abusive situation. Okay. Thanks, guys.